Okay, we're back. We're going to start our day, our lesson, with looking at our lowercase letters, and we're going to sing our alphabet song and point to the letters as we sing it. Ready? Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Nice work. Now these are all the small letters, the lowercase letters. All right, let's turn our page. And we're going to start with our picture. Now this time what we're going to do is we're going to start with the letter A, but it's the lowercase a. So put your pen or your marker or whatever you're using on the dot, okay? A, what comes next? B, what comes next? C, what comes next? D, E. Now we have to look for F. F is all the way over here. F. What's next? G. Next, H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. Comes after O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. All right. Pause your video, okay? And then you may color your picture. You can color. When you're done, come back. Okay, put this paper in your folder, in your white folder. Okay, and we're going to look at this one now. So we're going to talk about the letter A today. Now, A has two different sounds that it can make, and we're going to talk about the short sound that it makes. A says a, 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 a. Bite that apple, a. A says a. We're going to look at each picture. We're going to say the name of the picture. And if you hear the picture has an a sound, we're going to circle it, okay? This is a bag, b-a-g. Do you hear a? In the middle, I hear it too. So we're going to circle the bag. This is an ant, a-n-t, ant. Do you hear the a? Yep, let's circle it. This is a log, og. Do you hear an a? No. This is a pin, p-i-n. Do you hear an a? No. This is a fan, f-a-n, fan. Do you hear an a? Okay, let's circle it. This is a cat, k-a-t, cat. Do you hear an a? Okay, let's circle it. Good work. Bag, ant, fan, cat. They all have the a sound. Okay, let's turn our page. Okay, we're going to be looking at two words today, too. So this word right here is a letter, but it's also a word. This word is I. Say I. And this word is always capital. I want you to take your pencil and I want you to trace write, I'm sorry, I 2 times. That's 1 time, 2 times, I. Okay, this word is can, can. We're going to write this word 2 times, C, A, N, can. Do it again. C, A, N, can. I can. All right, let's look at the bottom. We're going to use the word I to complete this sentence. This says, can sit. We're going to use the word I. So we're going to write down I, and now we have a sentence. I can sit. And this one, we're going to use the word can. I hop, up. I can hop. So we're going to write can. I can hop. All right, nice work. Let's put this in our folder. All right, so now we have a book. All you're going to do is turn the book this way and fold it. Okay, just fold it. We're going to read this story together. This story is I can. Take your finger and I want you to point. I can. Follow along with me. I can run. I can run. I can swing. I can swing. I can slide. I can slide. And our next page is I am happy. I am happy. All right, nice reading. Put this in your folder. This goes right into your folder. Okay, and we're going to look at this page now, page 27. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the top and we're going to practice writing a capital A and a lowercase a. And remember that sound that letter makes is A. So start at the green dot and you go straight down, go back up, go across. A. A. Let's try another one. Go straight down, pick your pencil up, go straight down again, cross it, A. Do another one. A. 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 Okay, we're going to do lowercase a now. Circle. No, this is a hard one. So you start at the dot, you go and make a circle, and then you come back. Start at the dot, come back. Start at the dot, you make a circle, go all the way up to the top, and then you push down. Go all the way up to the top and push down. A. 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 A says A. Okay. If we're going to look at our pictures, and if one of our pictures has the A sound, we are going to write capital A and lowercase a. Okay, this is a hat. At. Hat. Did you hear A? At. Me too. So we're going to write a capital A and a lowercase a. This is a goat. Do you hear g-o-t? Do you hear an a? No, I don't either. This is a van. V-a-n, van. Do you hear a? I do too. Let's go ahead and make that capital A and lowercase a. This is a pot. P-at. Do you hear the a? I don't either. This is a hat. Hat. Do you hear the a? At. Okay, capital A, lowercase a. This is an apple. Apple. Do you hear the a? I do right in the beginning, right? Apple. Lowercase a, or capital A and lowercase a. All right. A. All right, let's turn the page. Okay, so this time we're going to look at the pictures, and if it has an a, we're going to write a, and if it has a we're going to write m. Remember from yesterday? All right, so we have an ant. What do you think we're going to write there? Ant. Yeah, that's an a. We're just going to do the lowercase a. This is a picture of milk. Milk. What do you hear? M. This is a cat. Cat. Do you hear the a sound? I do too. It's in the middle. This is an axe. Axe. Do you hear the a sound? Me too. This is an apple. Apple. Do you hear a or m? Apple. A. This is a moon. Do you hear a or m? M. Okay. This direction says to write your name on the line. My name is Taras. My name is Yara. My name is Roxlana. My name is Makar. Write your name. And then put this paper in your folder. Okay. Remember, anytime you need to pause, you can do that, okay? Okay, we're going to write 3 words today. 3 whole words. Our first word we're going to write is the word I. Let's trace that word, I. And then let's write it here, I. Do you remember what this word is? K-a-n, can. C-A-N, trace it, and then write C-A-N. This word is am. Am. Trace it, am. Am. All right, let's read these words. I can and am. Good work. All right. I would like you to look for this page right here, and we're going to look for our little cards, okay? Now remember, you're going to have to cut these cards out. So I want you to pause the video. All right, you're going to pause it, and you're going to cut out these cards. Let me show you which ones we're doing. Let me cut them out of mine. Oops. All right, so these are the ones you're going to cut out. And you're going to just cut them and then come back, okay? All right, I'll see you in a few minutes.